Hello everyone, it's Mrs.Koc. Today we are going to continue learning about the scientific method. So in the previous video, we talked about the usage and what is it and why should I care part of the scientific method, right? So we answered the questions, who use it? It's everyone, even you. So there were some questions that we just guessed, and in the previous assignments, I asked you to just make a question, just guess a question. Why can't I lose weight? Why am I being late? Why is my shoes dirty? So these kind of even some dumb questions we asked as an assignment. Now we are going to take a look at each part of the scientific method, each steps of the scientific method. We learned about it anyway, but we are going to go in one example. I will show you how to put the problem or research hypothesis and all that, okay? And these are some examples that we talked in the previous video, right? Where are my shoes? Why should I have for lunch? What class do I have next? And so on and so forth. So our first step was the problem. We need to find the problem first, correct? Then information. Third step is hypothesis. Fourth is experiment, observation, and conclusion. There are 6 steps of the scientific method. So in each step, we took a little more closer look on each of them, right? So we already went over all of these. It's all in my previous videos. I'm not going to go through the same thing again. I'm going to go and, you know what I will do? Let's go right up here. So this is my problem that I came up with, okay? I know a couple of you are having issues with the assignments from other classes as well. I'm going to just ask a random question to you. How can I get an A from science class? This is my question. This is my problem that I'm trying to find a solution, okay? You can have any questions of your choice, okay? So if you're talking about how can I lose weight? How can I not be late to class? What can I do to make my plants grow further or faster? Or how can I get a better Wi-Fi? I don't know. Just guess the question. That's your problem, okay? So this is my problem. Again, how can I get an A from science class? So in our steps, what was the next step? I need you to tell me. What is it? Okay, good job. The next step is research. Where can I research it? Where can I research it? I can what is my research target? To find out ways to get an A from science class. So how can I find these ways? Where should I go? Where can I research? So you can talk to your teachers, I'm guessing, or you can read some books to find out how to get an A from science class. You can search online, or you can check your grades. Maybe you're not even failing, right? So this is the research part, to find solutions to your problem, okay? From all of your research, you found out, let's say you check your grades, right? You check your grades here, and you found out that you have missing words from science class. Oh, that's the problem. Now I see it. So you have missing words that is holding your grades down. Like it's down. It's like on the floor. How can you improve your grade? How can you get it higher? So you found out by checking your grades, right? This is your research part. After the research, you found this out. Now we're going to have to make an hypothesis. Because I researched it, there are a lot of solutions to that, and I found out that my problem might be my missing words. So I grabbed the missing word part. That's going to be my hypothesis now. So let's form a hypothesis. If I turn in all my missing words then I will get an A from science class. Okay? If I turn in all my missing works, then I will get an A from science class. That's my hypothesis. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe it could be a solution. That's my guess. Educated guess. That's why we call it educated guess for the hypothesis. All right, so I have my hypothesis. What am I supposed to do? What's my fourth step? First step was to find out a problem, which I have a problem. Second step was the research. I did my research. Third is a form a hypothesis. I just formed a hypothesis. And the fourth step. We're at the fourth step. Now I have all my problems kind of solved. But I need to do something from experiment part. Now I have to go and find out what's these missing words. What can I do for those? How can I? So I'm supposed to turn in the missing words. So how am I going to turn in it? What? So, excuse me. So experiment has two parts. One is a material and one is the procedure. So materials. In order for me to turn in the missing words, what do you think I should have it in my hand? I should have my books if I need it. All my missing words, apparently, I should have my computers, and I need to communicate with my teachers to see if things are going well. So procedure, easy. You do this every day. First procedure right here. Get my Chromebook, open it up. Whoops. Get my Chromebook, open it up. Go to Clever, go to Google Classroom, go to the 3 to 5 or 6 to 8 matrix. Go somewhere, go to my YouTube channel. So log into your classroom, right? That's where you see all of your assignments. Log into Google Classroom. And then you're going to find out all the missing words. And you're going to turn them all in. Okay? Then am I done? You're going to be done, of course, but you need to communicate with me too. Mrs.Koc, I just upload my whatever you did it. Scientific method, variables, I don't know, the science class, like a material list or something. It's all individually different. So you're going to communicate with Mrs.Koc before October 12. This is just for this quarter. Okay, I'm just making up a problem right now. So why October 12th? Maybe it's at the end of the quarter. Yep, it is the end of the quarter. So let's have an announcement. Let me ask you a question. Let's see how many of you are actually listening to me. Let's see how many of you are actually watching my videos. So, how many months in a year that has 28 days? In 1 year, how many months are there that has 28 days? Email me your answer and get my special prize. Okay, let's continue. Observation. So, after I did my hypothesis, form an hypothesis, I did follow the steps, experiments, steps, which was like go to Google Classroom, turning the assignments, communicate with teachers. Then I am going to observe. I'm going to observe the results. If my grades are going up, right there. If the things are getting easier because you're actually doing work. Your mom is happy. If I am happy, if my grade is getting closer to the A, then it seems like something is working. Then when I am done, I should be able to form my conclusion. Let's form the conclusion. So it turns out my hypothesis was true. It is true that if I turn in all my missing works, then I will get an A from science class. So this whole thing was true, right? It means, yes, I did turn my missing works, and it turns out I can get an A when I turning my missing works. Okay? This is just an example of me just following the scientific method, you can solve any problem of your choice, any problem you want, by using scientific method. Okay, I am done here. So I am hoping you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and bye.